And welcome back to another episode, another video of Coffee and Stocks. In today's video, we are going to talk about another potential huge stock that can make us a lot of money, that has a lot of percent to the upside. But before we get started, can I please ask you guys to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. We have been growing, pretty fast, and I do thank every single one of you guys. Don't forget that I am doing a giveaway of dividends. The next video that I am uploading today, around, I believe, 7:30ish. So definitely pay attention to that so you could get this dividends. And you might ask yourself, what stock am I talking about today? And it is Adma Biologics Inc. Currently going for $2.43. This is one, I know it's super low, but this is one of the biggest companies and stocks that you could invest in right now, and it is going to have a huge surge to the upside, and I will explain a little bit about it later. Obviously, as you can see right here, in a 1 week chart, it's been up more than 15%. It was going for around $2.11. This is for today. In 1 month, it's not doing that bad, up 16%, and then in 6 months it has been down 17%. So definitely be careful when investing in such a company when volatility is pretty high. We look over here for the revenue. It has 10.28 million as of Q3 2020, and I will show you guys right now. I think they did show Q4 2020. So definitely revenue has increased year to year. So it's always good to see that a company has been increasing in the revenue, because that just equals more money for us as investors in their company. Volume is pretty low, 4.3 million. Oh, actually, that's not pretty low. Market cap is at 229, which is pretty good, right? So as we look closer into who they are, groundbreaking immunotechnology, one connection at a time. Adma Biologic is an end-to-end commercial biopharmaceutical company committed to manufacturing, marketing, and developing specialty plasma-derived products for the prevention and treatment of infectious disease in the immune compromised and other patients at risk for infection. Our devotion to these underserved populations fuels us, and our hand-on approach to production and development sets apart. I do have to thank Samuel Shiske. He did lead me to this stock, and it looks pretty promising so far. In order to discover Adma Biologics' patented immunotechnology, they manufacture, develop, and commercialize, obviously, this plasma-derived therapeutics. Let me zoom in for you guys so you guys can see. Screen and identify high-titer donors, tailor compositions, and proprietary testing. They do have pretty awesome information on this, and I will leave the link down below. Obviously, you guys should do your own research when investing in companies. Adma operates one of the few plasma fractionation facilities in the United States. So they're pretty much one of the biggest ones that is operating that. So the successful plant inspections and drug approval received, track record of receiving FDA approval for plasma collection centers, 400,000 liter annual capacity plasma fractionation and purification plant operating in FDA compliance. So pretty much, as you can see right here, FDA has approved a lot of products of Adma. As you can see right here, FDA approved products including Asenif, which is an immunoglobulin intravenous for the humans, Vivigam, which is an immune globulin intravenous as well, and Nabi-HB, which is a hepatitis B immune globulin for the human as well. So that's pretty awesome. Three products that they've made have been approved by the FDA. And with that being said, it will shoot up to the upside. Obviously, we're going to go a little bit into who they are and what they do. Obviously, we see right here that they that their products have been approved. All right, here, look. Achieved fourth quarter 2020 preliminary unaudited total revenues of $13.9 million. Remember I showed you guys in the beginning where it was at 10.28 and that was up 42% year to year change? Exactly. Now in their Q4 2020, they have an unaudited total revenue of 13.9 million. So they were able to beat last quarter and this quarter. So this is the highest revenue quarter for the company since inception, which is amazing. That just means that more and more people are interested in this company. They've been creating better products. They've been selling these products, and you know, as far as we know, they're making us more and more money. Full year 2020 preliminary unaudited total revenues equals 42.2 million, which is a 44% increase over full year of 2019. And obviously this is as January 19th, 2020, which is a couple of days ago. Imagine 10.28 was at 42. Then they beat it again in Q4, which is a 44% increase. That is huge. That's why this stock is just increasing day to day, month to month. And we're not even close into explaining how, like over here, Wall Street is positive on Adma Biologics. On average, analysts give this stock a strong buy rating. The average price target is $9. Look at this, $2.43 to $9, which means analysts expect this stock to increase by 294.74% over the next 12 months. Now, if you're investing in a company and you're very comfortable in the ups and downs and the volatility, and you're able and you're willing to invest in this company, obviously I'm not a financial advisor, but if you're willing to invest in this company for the next 12 months, right, and it increases 300% right there and then, huge gains, right? Like I'm very interested in this company. Obviously, I will leave this presentation down below as well, so you guys could do a little bit more research. I don't want to make this video too long because obviously I don't want to bore you guys, but this is something that you guys should look into. 3 products of them that have been approved already, which is pretty amazing. Let's not lie, as well as sizable growth that they're expecting for themselves and their company in the upcoming year, which is pretty amazing. I mean, as you can see right here, $6.8 billion US immunoglobulin market. They were able to estimate, you know, the revenue in the millions in the upcoming years. So that just means we get more out of their company as investors, right? And as we know, you know, pharmaceuticals and biotechnology like that is gonna be the future, because I've talked about a lot of companies that have been dealing with lasers and immunodeficiency and all that stuff that can really help you know, the people, which is great because a lot of more pharmaceutical companies and you know, they're dealing with that kind of stuff, trying to create better stuff, you know. So that's definitely a positive for us. This is a few of the commercial products that have been approved by the FDA, as you can see right here. I don't want to get too into it, but that is very something that makes me happy, because they're not just banking on one particular product. They have a lot of products that are already out and have been approved by the FDA. They do have a pipeline right here, as you can see, the biologic pipeline, potential additional target population for Ascenif, which is one of the FDA approved products. As you can see right here, around 22,000 procedures a year performed in the US. Solid organ transplant, 14,000 solid organ transplant per year, including kidney transplant performed in the US. Cancer patients receiving chemotherapy, which is around roughly 650,000 per year. So as previously disclosed, obviously this is a to evaluate immune compromised patient infected with or at high risk of respiratory syncytial virus infection. So they are targeting these people. So it's pretty amazing. FDA already approved it. They've been creating a lot of revenue based on that specifically. Anyways, that was today's video. Hopefully you guys liked it. Don't forget to drop a like on this video, as well as press that amazing subscribe button. It does go a long way in supporting the channel. If you guys want to know more about this stock, go down below. I did put the investor presentation as well as the website, so you guys could do your own research and then go forward if you want to invest in this company or not. If you know anything else of this company, don't forget to let me know, because knowledge is key and we're all here to help each other out and make more money, not to put each other down. And I will see you guys next time on Coffee and Stocks.